everybody, welcome again to Dina Things for You. So, today we're going to start our first lesson in Arabic. Obviously, it will be the alphabet. La la. So, before I start, I want to give you some information about my language. First thing, Arabic is very ancient language. It's very old. So, I think you'll need a lot of studies in order to understand all vocabularies in Arabic. It's very hard. For me, I can't understand Arabic vocabularies 1,000 years ago. If I read an Arabic book that's written 1,000 years ago, a lot of words I will not be able to understand. So you don't need to learn how it was written 1,000 years ago, unless if you want to register in a university. But we're not using a lot of old words anymore nowadays. So this is one thing why Arabic is one of the most difficult languages in the world. This is one reason, because it's very ancient, very old. You don't need to learn very old vocabulary. We are learning what's happening for today, our new alphabet, our the nowadays alphabet. Okay. Second reason why Arabic is difficult, not because of the vocabulary or because of the grammar. It's because there are a lot of dialects, Arabic dialects, very different dialects. In Egypt we have a dialect, in Saudi Arabia another dialect, in United Arab Emirates another dialect, in Kuwait another, in Qatar another, in Bahrain another, and those three countries, Morocco, Tunisia and Algeria, they really speak very different Arabic. I don't understand them. Sudan also, I don't understand a lot of their Arabic. They have to use my Arabic. In fact, even in Egypt there are different dialects. In Cairo and Giza they speak in a dialect, while in Alexandria they use another dialect. In Upper Egypt is very different dialect, and so on. So don't panic. You don't need to learn all these dialects. You don't need this. What you need, as most of my students ask me, is to learn the standard Arabic, Fusha. Why standard Arabic is very important? First, because this is the real Arabic, the original Arabic, the source of Arabic. Okay. Second reason, and this is very important, is because standard Arabic, we all understand this standard Arabic. Most Arabic people, they understand standard Arabic, no matter where we are from Egypt, from Saudi Arabia, from Morocco, we understand standard Arabic. Okay. Standard Arabic you can see in most articles on internet, most books, PDF or hard copy, most stories, news, standard Arabic, translated movies. For example, if there is a movie and there is Arabic subtitle, that's down here at the end of the screen, it's in standard Arabic. Okay. That's why most, if not all, Arabic people, they understand standard Arabic. Okay. So when you learn standard Arabic, you can check in any dictionary. Most dictionaries, if not all dictionaries, in Google Dictionary, they use standard Arabic. Okay. You can practice language on internet, on our website for learning Arabic, for teaching Arabic, application for teaching Arabic. They use the standard Arabic. Okay. So now problem is solved. You don't need to learn very old vocabulary. You don't need to learn a lot of different dialects. Even I don't learn all these dialects, but we can understand each other's, which is good. Okay. So Arabic, we start from right to left, not from left to right. Okay. So for example, if I want to write Baba, we don't write Baba, we write Baba. Read from here to here, right to left, not left to right. Okay. All right. So let's get started. these are my alphabet. We have 28 letters in Arabic, which is great. I think in Chinese you have 7,000 letters. I think, I'm not sure, but there are thousands of letters. Here only 28. Okay, and I'm going to just familiarize you with how Arabic letters looks like this. As discussed before, we will start from right to left. Okay, I'll teach you the name of every letter, the name, not the pronunciation. For example, the name of this letter is Alif, but the sound is A or E or O, sometimes A. Okay, so I will teach you the name of the alphabet. Okay, and then we'll make a song together. If you're interested, you can sing with me. So this is the beginning. Alif, Ba, one dot down, Ta, Tha, Tha, like three, thief, thriller. I'm giving you examples in English so you understand which sound we're using. Tha, Jim, the dot is inside. Ha, don't get confused, this dot belongs to Ba, not to Ha. Okay, Ha has no dots. Ha, Ha. Okay, Kha, Kha, Del, Del, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Tha, Qaf, Kaf, Qaf, Kaf. You hear the difference? Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, Ya. Okay, in the future we're going to discuss these letters in more details. Of course, we'll take you step by step how to write each letter, how to pronounce it, how the word looks. They are not actually separated like this when we use them in words. Okay, so don't get panic, don't get scared, it's not that hard. Okay, let's now make a song together. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dot, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, Ya. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dot, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, Ya. Okay, so this is an overview, just an introduction about the alphabet, and you got an idea about Arabic language. Thank you for being interested in my language. I hope this was useful for you. Please stay safe, stay at home, wash your hands a lot every 2 hours. I think it's okay, every 2 hours. Good. Be careful of the nose, in the mouth, in the eyes. Virus takes one of these areas, so be careful, huh? Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, and goodbye. Salam. Bye.